Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and specifically to tell you to do this to your front loader washer once a month. That's right. This is something that you should do if you have a front loader washer to the appliance about once a month. Even once every 2 months is totally fine. Now it's very, very simple. Okay, I'm going to explain what it is you need to do and why you need to do it. Okay, so what it is that you need to do is right here. This is a gasket, and this gasket essentially allows the door to seal the washer shut so that the water doesn't come, flowing out of the washer, okay, out of the washing machine. Now, because of that, this gasket usually has water inside of it. Even though the washer drains, there's some little bit of moisture. There's a little bit of moisture remaining after the cycle has been finished, okay? And that moisture stays in here, and because it's a gasket, it's supposed to be like nice and sealed tightly. So that means that because it's sealed tightly, that moisture is going to get stuck in there, okay? And what you need to do once a month is very simple. Pull the gasket back and just wipe in here, and you can use like a solution, like you can use like, vinegar. You can use like a vinegar and water mixture to wipe everything down and just scrub it until all of the stuff comes out, okay? And then whatever you scrubbed it with, throw that out. If it's something like paper towel, throw that out. Or if it's like a cloth, then wash that cloth after, because you don't want all that stuff remaining on the cloth. You wash the cloth when you're done, okay? Very simple. So essentially, what if you don't do it, I'll show you, because this one hasn't been done in a while. You get all this buildup, okay? You can see there's some gross buildup over here. And I'm not going to show you the bottom because it got pretty bad down there, but on the bottom, all the water drips down here, so the bottom is the worst spot of it, right? So obviously you want to wipe the entire thing around, like pull the gasket back and wipe the entire thing around there. But as you can see, as I get further down, it gets worse and worse, right? So yeah, this definitely needs to be cleaned. But essentially, as you get towards the bottom, you want to really focus more on the bottom because that's where the moisture builds up. Now, if you do this once a month, then you're not going to get a buildup like that. You're just going to be able to just wipe it for 2 minutes and it'll be done. If you leave it for a few months or for 6 months or for a year or for however long, then you're going to get more of a buildup. Yeah, so it's just a little maintenance thing. A lot of people overlook it when it comes to their front loader washer, but it's something that should be done, like I said, once a month, once every 2 months, you should be good to go to just like give it a quick wipe. If you leave it longer than that, you're going to have to scrub it. But yeah, just a little quick maintenance tip that I want to share with you all. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video, and sorry, if you notice, I don't know if you noticed before I finished the video, there's like, I don't know if I showed it, but there's like my kids have like these labels, for like their school stuff with their names on it. So if you notice like some stickers on there tucked away, it's because like as we wash the stuff, I have 4 young kids, they all have labels. So as we wash the stuff, some labels come out. So in case you notice some stickers, just that's all, there's one back there. Anyways, not a big deal. I just figured I'd explain. There's one tucked away, like literally tucked away in there. So I got to go through and pull out the stickers. They're hard to remove because they stay stuck on the clothing, but that means they also stay stuck on the washer. When they do come off, they do stay stuck on the washer. So I got to pull them out. Anyways, that's just a little side note, but hopefully you enjoyed this maintenance tip video. If you like this video tutorial, or whatever type of video you want to call it, if you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.